All right, we're going to add something pretty simple here. We just went through and added these. The last thing we did in the last video was add these clock enable, going from when we click any of the buttons, up, down, left, or right, we now check to see if the clock is turned on. If it's not, that's what false means, then we turn it on, and then the clock gets to do its thing. What we haven't done yet is work on this score. So when we have this collision here, every time we collide, we want to score, we want to add something. So if you remember, we had the initial score of 0. So when we collide, we want to reset the score and change the label so that the label reflects the new score. Let me put the text in there. Okay, so we're going to change score to, do you remember how to do the increment now? If we want a score to go up by 1, we take the old value of the score and we just add 1. So that's going to be a 1, and that's going to be a score. And so the new value being held in the red folder is the old value plus 1. And as soon as we do that, we want to change the display, the label, to be the new value. All right, and that's as simple as that. So now what we have is an app that allows us to move up and down. When we initialize or when we hit reset, Mario and the mushroom go to a random spot on the screen. The score and the timer are reset to 0 and 10 respectively. I'm not sure how far I've gone into why we chose 10, but 10 allows you to move around and actually get to something, but it'll get down to 0 before it's too late. All right, so the next video is going to be talking about how do we stop the score at 0, and I think you remember how to do that. We did it on the timer. You check to see if the score is still above 0, and if it is, you decrement 1 and put that new score on there. All right, that'll be the next video.